You're going to love the 2013 Chrysler Town & Country. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Chrysler prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including a power seat, automatic dimming door mirrors, a power rear cargo door, rain-sensing wipers, adjustable pedals, and fully automatic headlights. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, a 20-gigabyte hard drive, and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate no matter how far the drive. Chrysler ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as traction control, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.